how to log out of your messenger on Android and iOS. Hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how you can log out of your messenger account on Android on iOS. So like this will work on both Android and iOS device. So simply let's start. So first of all, you will have to open your messenger account from here. Okay, so after that you will have to click on this menu option. And from here you will have to go with the settings, like it will look the gear icon at the top. So simply click on this setting option. Okay, so from here you'll have to scroll down and go to the options account center. So simply tap on it. Okay, so from here you'll have to go the option password and security. It usually on the account settings section. So simply tap on it. Okay, so from here on the security checks section, you'll have to go the options where you are logged in. So simply click on it. Okay, so now from here you can review that where you are logged in with your Facebook or Instagram accounts. So right now we are doing with Facebook. So simply tap on this Facebook option. Okay, so from here you can view that all of the devices that are logged into your account on Messenger. So simply to log out from this device, you will have to click on this arrow option just at the device info. So likewise, I can choose any options from here. So simply click on this logout option. Okay, logout. Okay, so I have successfully logged out from the iPhone 11. So likewise, you can also log out of your Messenger account on any devices like Android or iOS. So hope this video was helpful to you. Please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon over there for more short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.